Okay. So the next question is, we are going to look at the situation where it changes, where, it's not going to be static. You just get a set of, let's say, like the previous example where you're looking at odd numbers, where just 5, 5, 5. So after we have been able to draw our box plot, divide our box into the required numbers that we needed, which were 3. Then we just counted the number of odd numbers, and it was 5. And because the numbers are repetitive, we are able to multiply 5 by 5 by 5, and then we go back to 5. But the other situations where logically and mathematically you realize that it will change. It wouldn't necessarily be that. So let's look at an example like that. How many different arrangement there of the letters A, B, C, D. Now, for a question like this, like I was saying, you can either go by the normal counting principle, or you can use a box formula. So we are going to use what? The box formula. And once again, now because A, B, C, and D, okay, A, B, C, and D, don't forget the earlier one, they were interested in what? Odd numbers. So that is why it became very fetched. It doesn't change. So once we get it, and the division was in 3, we had to repeat it across. But in this case, A, B, C, D are all different things, and you're looking at the different ways that we can arrange that. Okay, and that is very different from the previous one. So if you are looking at that, it means that first of all, there are what? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all different. Okay, and this is the required thing. So first of all, like I said, the first thing is to spot out the required thing we are looking at. That's why the first one we reduced it. We had to add 1 to 10, 100 to 101, and then 999 for the 1000. Is that okay? So in this case, this is the required thing we are looking at. This is A, B, C, D. Each of them are different, or each of them is different. So A is different from B, and C is different from what? B, in that order. So because each of them is different, then it means that we can have separate. Okay, we can have separate boxes for them. So it means that automatically we have what? When you draw our box this way, we have to divide it into what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they are different, and those are that is actually the required. The required thing that we need. Okay. So now, having addressed this, the next thing is to look at the different ways that we can arrange these letters. Assuming you want to arrange it, and there are 4 ways, just like you've been able to. First of all, when you decide to pick the first one, which is A,